Hi kids, today you can learn many new words. Look at here. Last previous class you learned U, capital U and small u, that words you learned. Today I am going to teach you V. V for van, V for vase, V for vegetable, then V for violin. Do you know van? Did you see, children? It is one of the vehicle. It has four wheels. It can move on the road. Is it going on the sky? Not. Is it no? It can move on the road. Was. It is used. It is one of the thing. It is used into your homes for decorating purpose. Some flowers they kept on the vase and they keep as show thing. Is it no, children? Then vegetables. In vegetables, there are many varieties are there. Green color, many colorful are there in the vegetables. Brinjal, garlic, onion, capsicum, cabbage, cucumber, beans, tomato, potato, sweet potato. Like this, many varieties are there in the vegetables. What you know? When we eat the vegetables, when we take the vegetables, it is very helpful to our body. It gives very high nutritions to our body. So you must and should eat the vegetables. Don't don't skip the vegetables when you are eating. Understand, children? ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನೂ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದನ್ನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಇಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ತಿಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. Then V for violin. It is one of the musical instruments. When the musicians they can play that. Not everybody we can't play that. Only musicians they can play that violin. Next, W. W. It is capital letter and it is the small letter. W for window. W for water. W for whistle. W for wheel. Window, it is almost all in all the houses there kept a window. So why we need window for the house? We can get sufficient light and air to the house. So that's why we kept the window into the house. Then water. Do you know, kids, water is very good for our body. Before I said no, vegetables are very nutritious. Yes, in a water there are many minerals are there. It helps our body. At least we should drink 8 glasses of the water every day. Morning when you wake up, and that time only you can drink 1 or 2 glasses of water. It's very good for your health. So before the meal or after the meal or before the meal, like that, each and one time you can drink one of the glasses. Totally how many glasses of the water you have to drink per day? 8 glass. Then next one, whistle. Did you put whistle? Somebody put in the hand with fingers only, but it is one of the thing. Who used this? Watchmans, again conductor, they use this whistle. Then wheel. Did you observe this thing? Where it is used into the cars, bikes, again vehicles, for the vehicles. Wheel. Do you know what is the shape of the wheel? It always in the round shape. Why? Because it always want to move, right? So that's why. Then capital X, small x. X for xylophone and X for X-ray. Xylophone is one of the musical instrument. Before I said no, violin. Like it is also one of the musical instrument. It is the musicians. Musicians means Those who play music, they are called the musicians. X-ray. So this is one of like a photography. When we show our body to that, we cannot see inside our body. Is it no? So what have inside our body, like bones, muscles are there, no? So if we hurt anything, from that X-ray we can get idea if it's broken or what happened to our bones. It will shows. So that is the X-ray. Next one, Y. Y, capital Y and the small y. Y for yellow, Y for yo-yo, Y for H. Yellow, it is one of the color. So many flowers are there in yellow color. What we can see, yellow. So painting, yellow painting is there. Then yo-yo, it is one of the playing thing. Then yacht, it is one of the like a ship. Yacht is one of like a ship. It moves on the side. It sails on the water. Then capital Z, small z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, and Z for zip. Do you know the zebra? It has white and black stripes on its body. Is it no? It lives in the forest or grassland. See, zoo. In zoo there are many wild animals we can see in the zoo. It is one of the place. Zip. So many boys pants, even girls dresses also we can see the zip. Even many bags. It always in the zigzag type. Is it no? This is today's class. And I will teach you one of the story, children. It's very interesting. The rabbit and the tortoise. I think you heard this story. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit and a tortoise. They were good friends. They used to meet and play every day. There is one of the forest. So in that forest, there are two friends who are that rabbit and tortoise. They always playing with both. The rabbit always boasted that he could run faster than the tortoise. A rabbit always runs fast, no, than the tortoise. So they decided to have a race. One time they decided to go to the race from one place to the one of the ending place. So they choose a starting and finish point. The rabbit ran really fast and soon left the tortoise far behind. He thought that tortoise is too slow and he can rest for a while. So they decided starting point and ending point. They are starting the race. So the rabbit is going very fastly, no, to jumping, hopping very fastly, but the tortoise always going slowly. So when it jumps, it's going to the near the winning stage. When it looks back, which one? Rabbit looks back, the tortoise is far behind. So that's why it's have to get the rest. So what it can do, rabbit? So he stopped under a tree and went to sleep. Meanwhile, tortoise kept walking the whole time and reached the winning point. When the rabbit woke up, he saw that tortoise has already won the race. See, the rabbit, it went near the point, but it didn't touch the winning point. What it can do? It can take the rest under the tree. So when it slept, the tortoise slowly walked and reached to the winning place. When it woke up, already tortoise won the match, won the race. What is the moral of the story? Slow and steady wins the race. So you don't hurry up or you don't very fast. while you're running or while reading, while learning. So slowly you can learn step by step. So that is helpful and it stay a long life. Okay children, this is the rabbit and tortoise story. You can do one thing from U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all words you can copy into the notebook. That take a one of the pic and send it to my WhatsApp number. I'll check that how you return. If you make any mistakes, I'll correct it children. Few members only are sending. So those who are watching this video, that members you can send me. Okay, bye kids.